Yeah. Yeah. In the valley. Yeah. Silence in the valley, a shadow on the street. A heavy chain is dragging beneath the brother's feet. You say it's far away behind a distant wall, but when the foundation cracks, the whole house will fall. We build our little islands. We think that we are dry, while just across the water, we hear the children cry. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. It's a spark in the dry wood, a poison in the air. You cannot pull the blanket and leave the rest to freeze. We are bound together in the shaking of the trees. No one is truly safe, no one is truly free, until the light of justice shines on everything we see. A courtroom in the darkness, a gavel made of stone. A woman stands in silence, standing all alone. If we look away tomorrow, turn our faces to the sun. We sign the very warrant for what's already done. The fabric is woven tight, every single thread. What happens to the living is remembered by the dead. Yeah. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. It's a spark in the dry wood, a poison in the air. You cannot pull the blanket and leave the rest to freeze. We are bound together in the shaking of the trees. No one is truly safe, no one is truly free, until the light of justice shines on everything we see. Yeah. It's an inescapable network of mutuality, tied in a single garment of our destiny. Whatever affects one directly affects all indirectly. We cannot afford the luxury of looking away abstractly. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. It's a spark in the dry wood, a poison in the air. You cannot pull the blanket and leave the rest to freeze. We are bound together in the shaking of the trees. No one is truly safe, no one is truly free, until the light of justice shines on everything we see.